In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins based on BNB Chain. Now, you can use any of the platforms, but for me, I'm currently using GMGN, and if you want to use it too, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to get started, okay? Again, link down below. Here, the first thing you want to do after you've created your account and you've gotten your wallet, you want to make sure you switch over to BSC, which is basically the BNB chain, so the Binance Smart Chain, and then you must deposit some BNB onto your account just like that, okay? Make sure you follow all the rules and you'll be able to see your addresses over here, etc., okay? Then just deposit it like you would deposit any crypto in any other trading platform. And after that, to actually trade meme coins based on BNB chain, go to trenches, top left, and in here you can see there's a bunch of different things here. There's the new meme coins, the almost bonded, the migrated meme coins, etc. And of course, you can go ahead, do your research, find the meme coins you want to trade. And now let's say you actually found one, you can just click on the meme coin. And then here on the right hand side, you can go ahead and buy it by clicking the buy button, typing in how much you would like to buy, and then just clicking on the buy button. And whenever you're ready to sell, you can just click on the sell button, do the exact same thing, either sell a percentage or of course the amount over here. And then just like that, click on the sell button, and that's pretty much how to trade meme coins based on BNB chain. It's literally that easy. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.